Hello learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Kernel. Today in this video we are going to demonstrate use of standard string functions such as strlen, strcpy, strcat, strcmp and strrev in C language. So let's start. String is basically sequence of characters stored in character array. We know that array is a variable that stores elements of similar data type. So character array stores character elements. Character array always ends with null character, that is \0. C language does not have separate string data type. Instead, strings are handled as array of character. Declaration of string is as shown along with an example. First, we write data type followed by string name and size. In example, char is a data type, name is a variable and 10 is the size of that variable. It is storing elements A, B, C and D. Variable name can store 10 elements. However, it has store 4 elements. Next, variable name which is of the type char and can store 20 elements. It has store complete name C program. Later, in third example, with character variable name2, no size is specified in square bracket. So there is no limit for storing characters in variable name2. Now we will discuss an algorithm to demonstrate standard string functions in C language. Algorithm is a stepwise set of instructions to execute the task. Here, step 1 is start. In step 2, we read two strings and store it in variable A and B. In step 3, we will initialize standard library files string.h. In step 4, we will implement those functions. In step 5, we will display result of string functions. Step 6 is the last step, that is stop. Now we will discuss flowchart for our task, which is implementation of string functions in C language. We know that flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. Flowchart always begins with start and ends with stop. First, we will read two strings A and B using input-output block. Then, in the process block, we will implement those string functions. Next, in input-output block, we will display results of string operation. Flowchart ends with stop. Now, we will discuss actual program to perform our task, that is, implementation of standard string library functions. First of all, initialization of standard library files such as stdio.h and conio.h is done. Along with that, string.h header file is also initialized. In main function, first we initialize variable len and cmp of integer type. Then, for character data type, we will initialize two strings A and B as hello and world. Another string variable C is initialized. Next, rev string which is having study kernel is also initialized. Next, we will calculate the length of string A using function strlen. Later, we will copy string A into string C using strcpy function. Later, we will compare string A and B and store result in variable cmp. Next, using printf function, we will display value of len, copied string C, the result of comparison. As the length of code is more, hence it is written on next slide. After that, concatenation operation is performed and displayed using printf function. Later, string reversal is performed using strrev function and it is displayed using printf function. Now we will execute the code using Turbo C software. Same code that we have discussed earlier is shown here. We shall execute the code by clicking on Run button. In output window, we can see output as length of string A is 5. Copied string from A is hello. Output of string comparison is -15. Next, concatenated string A and B is hello world. Reverse of string study kernel is as shown. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.